Switching from Klaviyo to Omnisend might feel like a big task, especially if you've been using Klaviyo for a while and you've built up a lot of customer data. The last thing you want is to lose valuable contacts or mess up your email list organization during the transition. But the good news is that moving from Klaviyo to Omnisend is totally doable. And once you know the steps, it's not as complicated as it seems. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of migrating your email list from Klaviyo to Omnisend without losing any data. We'll cover how to export your Klaviyo profiles, transfer them to Omnisend, recreate some email templates, and set up your new segments in Omnisend so that your marketing campaigns don't miss a beat. This is the kind of thing that seems intimidating at first, but once you break it down step by step, it's pretty straightforward. Step 1, exporting your Klaviyo profiles. Now, you don't want to skip this step or rush through it because if the data doesn't export clean, you'll have issues when you try to import it into Omnisend. Step 1.1, logging into Klaviyo. So just start by logging into your Klaviyo account. So open up your browser, whether it's Chrome, Safari, or whatever you usually use, and go to klaviyo.com. Now, when you get to the home page, click on the login button at the top right, enter your email and password, and if you've got two-factor authentication turned on, you'll need to enter that code that gets sent to your phone or email. Once you're logged in and you land on the Klaviyo dashboard, this is where all your lists, campaigns, and customer data lives. So if you've been using Klaviyo for a while, this will feel pretty familiar. Step 1.2, finding your list and segments. To start the export process, you need to find the right list or segment that you want to export. In the left-hand sidebar, you'll see an option for audience. Under that, click on lists and segments. At this point, you'll see a list of all the email lists and customer segments that you've created in Klaviyo. If you've got a lot of them, it might take a second to find the one that you're looking for. From the dashboard here, you want to come over to the left-hand side, and under audience, we're looking for lists and segments. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And here we can go ahead and see all of our lists and all of our segments. Now, I just created this account and uploaded 125 contacts to this new list called New Contacts. Now, if you wanted to quickly just get everything, so not only this 125 members here, but all these other members and these other lists, we'll just come here, come to New, create segment. Step 1.3, exporting the data. Now, once you've selected the list or the segment that you want to export, click on the Manage List or Manage Segment drop down at the top right. This will bring up a menu with a few options. You're looking for Export List to CSV or Export Segment to CSV. When you click this, Klaviyo will give you a choice. Export all properties, so this will include names, email addresses, phone numbers, location, sign up date, and any other custom fields you've added. Export specific properties if you only need certain data, like just email addresses or phone numbers. If you're not sure which one to pick, it's usually better to export all properties just to be safe. You can always clean up the data later, but if you don't export it now, you won't be able to get it back once you close your Klaviyo account. So the export process might take a few minutes, especially if you've got a large list. Don't worry if it's not instant, it's normal for larger lists to take longer. So this is the list that I want to go ahead and export right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click on this list called New Contacts. And up here in the top right, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to go ahead and click Export List to CSV. And this list only has first name, last name, and email. So I'm just going to go ahead and select those three. But again, if you wanted to select everything, you can go ahead and select all just like that. But again, for this, I'm just going to go first name, last name, and email address. I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Export. So I have a relatively small list, so this is going to go pretty fast. But again, if you have a large list, this will take a little bit longer. Step 1.4, downloading the file. Now, once Klaviyo finishes processing the export, you'll get a prompt to download the file. It'll be in CSV format, which is just a fancy way of saying it's in a spreadsheet file that you can open in something like Excel or Google Sheets. Now, make sure to save the file somewhere where you'll remember it. Now, if the download doesn't appear right away, you can go to Settings, Other, Downloads in Klaviyo, and you'll see a list of recent exports there. So mine's still working, so let's go ahead and show you where we'd find that. So we come here to Settings, and we'll go over to Other, and we'll come here to Downloads. And here we can go ahead and see that this is still processing here, so we'll go ahead and let that wait. Step 1.5, common export issues and fixes. So if you don't see your export option in the dropdown, there's a good chance that your user role doesn't have permission to export lists. Only owners, admins, and analysts have permission to export data from Klaviyo. If your export keeps failing or timing out, try exporting a smaller list or selecting fewer properties. Massive files with tons of data can take longer to process or even just fail outright. Step 2, importing Klaviyo Klaviyo data into Omnisend. Now that you've got your Klaviyo data in a nice, tidy CSV file, it's time to bring it into Omnisend. This part is usually where people get nervous because you're essentially handing over your entire customer list to a new platform. But Omnisend makes the process pretty straightforward. Step 2.1, create an Omnisend account. So first, you'll need to create an Omnisend account. Just click the link down in the description where you can go ahead and get the best pricing possible. You can also go ahead and get started with a free account as well. So Omnisend gives you two options for signing up. If you're using Shopify, you can sign up directly with your Shopify account. If you're using another e-commerce platform like WooCommerce, then you'll need to sign up with an email address. Once you've created your account and logged in, you'll land on the Omnisend dashboard. Okay, so it looks like our download is ready to go from Klaviyo, so let's go ahead and download that now. And next, we'll go ahead and create our Omnisend account. So after you click the link down in the description to get started, it'll look something like this. Now you can go ahead and get started with your Shopify account, your Google account, or just an email address, which is the option I'll be doing here today. So I'll go ahead and plug in my email and my password. And for this example, I'm gonna do non-e-commerce, so it doesn't ask me to set up my store since this is just a demo account. And I'll go ahead and click sign up. So after you go ahead and get the verification email, it'll bring you back to Omnisend. We'll go ahead and fill out this information. It'll ask for some more information here. After you go ahead and fill out that information, just click continue to Omnisend. And there we go. We are now officially signed up for Omnisend. Step 2.2, connect your store. So if you're using Shopify, you can connect your store to Omnisend directly from the dashboard. Just click connect store, choose Shopify, and follow the prompts. This will install Omnisend as an app in your Shopify account. If you're using a different platform, you might need to install a plugin or connect through an API key, which we'll get into that in a second. Step 2.3, generate your Klaviyo API key. To do that, we'll go back to Klaviyo and go to settings and API keys in Klaviyo. Click create private API key. Give it a name like Omnisend migration. Select full access so Omnisend can pull all your data and copy the key. So let's go back over to Klaviyo and do that. We'll come here, we'll come to settings, we'll come to API key, we'll go create private API key, name it Omnisend migration, and we'll select a full access key and go ahead and click create. So we'll go ahead and copy that and we're good to go here. Step 2.4, sync data from Klaviyo to Omnisend. Now in Omnisend, we'll go to apps and go to Klaviyo data importer. Here we'll paste the API key and click connect. Omnisend will sync all your Klaviyo contacts automatically. After the sync, you'll see a summary of how many contacts were imported. So let's go back to Omnisend, and up here in the top right, we're gonna click on apps and we're gonna look for Klaviyo data import tool. We'll go ahead and click on that and we'll click connect now. So here you'll go ahead and paste that API key and click connect, and it says you haven't synced your contacts yet, so we'll click on sync contacts, and there we go. It says connected. So we have 126 contacts last synced, and there we go. So we can go ahead and exit out of this. So now if we come over here to contacts, we can go ahead and see that we have our 126 contacts over here. Now my list was only 125, so I'd want to go through here and just make sure that there are no duplicates or anything like that. Actually, now that I think about it, I think I had myself as a contact in Klaviyo, so that makes sense since there's 126. Step 2.5, import the CSV manually. So even after the API sync, you'll want to upload the CSV file manually to catch any data that didn't transfer properly. To do that, we'll just go to audience, add contacts, import from file, and upload the CSV file. Just map the fields like email address, phone number, etc., and assign a tag like imported from Klaviyo to keep things organized. So to do that, we'll come over here, we'll click on add or update contacts. Again, we can either select Klaviyo right there, and what we want to do here is do the CSV, so we'll select import from a file. We'll go ahead and grab that file that we downloaded from Klaviyo and click on continue to mapping. So we got the email address, it went ahead and picked that up. We'll go ahead and select first name for first name, and for last name, we'll select last name, and just like that, the mapping is done, and we'll go ahead and click on continue to organize. So here we'll go ahead and create a tag, we'll go Klaviyo import, and we'll create new, and we'll go ahead and create a segment, and we'll segment it, import date and time, and click continue to subscribe, and we'll go ahead and continue to finalize, and click continue to review. So we'll go ahead and just review this, and we'll go ahead and click on finish import. So just like that, we went ahead and did it. Step 3, rebuilding templates in Omnisend. So Klaviyo email templates don't always transfer cleanly, so you'll probably need to rebuild them. Omnisend's template editor is easy to use, and you'll have more flexibility if you recreate them from scratch. Step 4, creating segments in Omnisend. To rebuild your Klaviyo segments, we'll go to audience, create segment, and then use the tags that you assigned during import. So migrating from Klaviyo to Omnisend takes some work up front, but once you've got everything set up, it's smooth sailing from there. Just take your time, follow these steps, and you'll have your email marketing back up and running in no time. Now, if you want to get started with Omnisend, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.